Growing blackberries in your garden can be a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, juicy berries that are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. In this video, we'll discuss the steps you'll need to take to grow blackberries successfully, including the best time to plant them, how often to water them, how much space you'll need, and when you can expect to harvest your crop. The ideal time to plant blackberries is in the early spring, just as the ground begins to warm up. You'll want to select a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sunlight, as blackberries need at least 6 hours of full sun per day to thrive. Ideally, you'll want to space your blackberry plants about 1 meter apart to allow for adequate air circulation and to prevent overcrowding. Blackberries are relatively easy to care for, and they require consistent, deep watering throughout the growing season. You'll want to water them about once a week, making sure to give them enough water to soak the soil to a depth of at least 30 centimeters. If you're experiencing a particularly hot or dry period, you may need to water them more frequently. In terms of land, you'll want to plan for about 3 square meters of garden space per plant. Blackberries can spread quickly, so it's crucial to give them enough room to grow and to keep them from taking over your entire garden. Once your plants have been established for about 2 years, you can expect to harvest your blackberries in the early summer. Ripe blackberries will be dark and juicy and will easily come off the vine with a gentle pull. To avoid your berries from falling and getting spoiled, you need to harvest them frequently as they turn ripe. While blackberries are relatively low maintenance, they can be prone to a few common problems, including fungal infections, thrips, mites, and aphids. Keeping your plants well watered and harvesting your berries promptly can help prevent these problems from occurring. Blackberries can be grown in a range of climates, from cool, moist areas to hot, dry ones. As long as you provide your plants with plenty of sun and water, they should thrive in your garden. Blackberries are delicious and versatile fruits that can be enjoyed fresh, baked into pies or cakes, or turned into jam or preserves. They have a deep, sweet flavor that is slightly tart, making them perfect for use in a variety of recipes. In conclusion, growing blackberries in your garden can be a fun and rewarding task that provides you with a bountiful harvest of fresh, juicy berries. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to cultivating a healthy and delicious crop of blackberries.